Seatbelt's good. Alrighty, let's check the taxi. Area's all good. Hot day today, I'm already sweating.
Hello YouTube, my name is Jason, otherwise known as HC Airsoft, and today I want to share with you guys something I thought was pretty special. Now, I'm currently an FAA certified private pilot, but last year at this time period, I was not. So what I'm going to do is I'm just going to cut up and splice together my long solo cross-country flights. Hope you guys enjoy. Of course, everything in this video is not meant to be flight instruction, nor should it be. And again, this goes without saying, but everything should be taken with a grain of salt in this video.
Kilo Bravo, rated taxi with information Victor via bar southeast departure.
Sky 5447 Kilo Martin ground, runway 15, taxi via ramp and alpha.
Taxi via ramp and alpha to runway 15, 5447 Kilo. Clear?
47 Kilo affirmative. I just put whiskey out, got the runway change on there, 15 in use. Wind is 140 at 6.
Roger, we have Victor, 5447 Kilo.
Even now, I feel really embarrassed about saying Victor when I definitely meant to say whiskey. Just the fact that I said that so confidently also really seals the deal with how embarrassing that was.
Tower runway 15, clear for takeoff.
Clear for takeoff runway 15, 5447 Kilo.
So my route of flight is from Martin State Airport, Middle River, Maryland, to Millville, New Jersey, and finally going to Delaware Coastal in Georgetown, Delaware, before heading back to Martin State Airport.
Nose on the floor, verify runway heading is set.
So you may have already noticed my low-budget solution as recording cockpit audio, but all I did was essentially just take those Apple earbuds, launch the voice memos app on my iPhone, and bam, I have cockpit audio, albeit low-quality cockpit audio. And since in real time I believe I already do a pretty good job at commentating my flights, I'm going to go ahead and just cut the commentary here and let you guys just enjoy this flight. Maybe quietly laugh at a few of the mistakes I made, but overall, I think it was a good time.
Please Vic Radio, Skyhawk 5447 Kilo is just departed Mike Tango November. Would like to open up flight plan for now if it already hasn't been closed out.
Kilo, just to confirm, special orange train is current via for 5 and 6 air miles. DTA view are doing the Artemis Washington DC special flight open procedures.
Affirmative, 5447 Kilo.
5447 Kilo, have that flight plan activated for the current time. No other adverse conditions along that route of flight. Pilot support is always appreciated. You have a good day.
Thank you, Sky 547 Kilo.
Delta Charlie, Martin Tower, 3500, dimensional 22.
Denver approach Skyhawk 447 Kilo. 5447 Kilo is over Golda, 25 miles west of Smyrna, 3000 with request.
Call Dover approach, say again, call sign, and Dover altimeter 3017.
Call sign is November 5447 Kilo.
Or 5447 Kilo, IDET, Dover altimeter 3017, same destination.
Alright then, destination is going to be at inbound Ecuador Oscar direct to Mike India Victor. Yeah, let's have a call sign afterwards. Yeah.
47 Kilo, squawk is 0354.
0354. 5410 Kilo. Don't fix it. Radar says it's terminated squawking VFR, and frequency change approved, 547 kilo. Have a good day. Alright, let's go get our seatbelt in. 1, 2, 3, go.
Downwind. We're going into 45 to downwind, 29, St. Mary's.
0. Sky condition, view 4,700. Temperature 32 Celsius. Dew point 21 Celsius. Altimeter 3017. Remarks. Density altitude 1,800. Millville Municipal Airport. Automated weather observation 1645 Zulu. Wind 300 at 05.
Alright, 32 is going to be our runway. Millville traffic, Skyhawk 5447 kilo is 10 miles southwest, going to join left downwind for 32 full stop. Millville traffic. Millville. Millville traffic, Skyhawk 5447 kilo is left base runway 32 full stop Millville. It's 20 degrees. Alright, let's get lower here. Hours out. Millville traffic, Skyhawk 5447 kilo is base to final, runway 32, Millville. Full stop.
Delaware Coastal 264 Papa Charlie, doing a GPS approach to 04 at Delaware Coastal.
Pembridge traffic in an Navo 5 miles to the southwest at about 26 Pembridge.
Delaware Coastal, Piper 47418 is 10 miles west, landing 4.
Alright, 65.
264
I'll get
Papa
below.
Charlie is right now at Xavier for the GPS approach at Delaware Coastal.
Alrighty. Hours out. Let's go. Fly her down. Little flow. Yeah, not the greatest. Out is close. Millville traffic, Skyhawk 5447 kilo is back taxiing runway 32, Millville. Ready, heels on the floor. Just gotta get center line in. Full power. Millville traffic, Skyhawk 5447 kilo is departing runway 32 to the southwest, Millville. There's the flag. Down nose gear. Tower approach, number 47 kilo has Golf Echo Delta in sight. Squawk VFR, change frequency approved. Thank you very much. 47 kilo. Delaware Coastal traffic, Skyhawk 5447 kilo is approximately 10 miles to the north. Going to be joining a left downwind for 04 full stop, Delaware Coastal. Delaware Coastal traffic, Skyhawk 5447 kilo is turning left base for runway 04 full stop, Delaware Coastal. Delaware Coastal traffic, Skyhawk 5147 kilo is base final runway 4, full stop. Too early. Wind's right down the runway. Not my best. Little flat. A little coastal traffic, Sky 5447 Kilo is exiting runway 4 on left to taxiway Bravo.
Well, that just about does it for this video. Anyways, my camera did die a few seconds after touching down here. So with that said, I certainly have learned a lot since this flight, and certainly have learned a lot since getting my private pilot certificate almost about a year ago now. So again, I really hope you guys enjoyed this. I certainly learned a lot actually editing this video. As always, this video is not meant to be for flight instruction, just purely for entertainment purposes. I do plan on doing a little bit more of this with a more robust camera setup and audio recording setup, and I do certainly look forward to going through these flights, reviewing them for myself, but also just sharing them with you guys. I hope you enjoyed the video. Take care.